In LAPANGAP, West Jaintia Hills, a protest had broken out earlier today as members of the Jaintia Students Movement LAPANGAP unit staged a demonstration during the visit of Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister LAPANGAP. Holding placards, the protesters demanded the immediate eviction of Assam police personnel from LUM PYNTHOR, an area they claimed falls under the jurisdiction of their village. The JSM leaders asserted that only Meghalaya police should be deployed there to protect local farmers and livestock herders. The group expressed strong resentment over what they described as encroachment by Assam forces in a region they consider part of their ancestral land.
Ton negasni inagaliang ga JSM LAPANGAP unit adin wadiyo jingtip iwa udik TCM nawan hiaru chini sa LAPANGAP eje por oman kam MLA ga thanyong i masnya bhalang dhar pe inagaliang ga unit demi ichamadan wo pengkrek lang bagi te jingthok wo pher kam gadak wo penbor ya udik TCM yong i wo chimkhia gi helor jing wa kachnong LAPANGAP hidamat ko nadu snem arjar athau pada hadu negesni hao jingwan gyong o inagaliang sen snyau komen ni hadu kate kermeni wa gani jingwan yang o untuk dokat wo kwa wo don hiu hau arjar arra untuk dokat wan penbe je heu ya ginong chong chnong gyong i amjo la ya ginong ya lam chnong gyong i ndre kermeni wa uchim khias khiat ulane chim serious u ya gani issue kuada jia kha sikha man lo snem te kerpadi ya dip TCM ko her le kamju hadu hotspot ya use kit u ya te condition ne ye jing kiwa kam gi nong chong chnong yang LAPANGAP chem gi na por che por te nangwa yo la iwan jing le ne jingjia ne ni sikmat ker i na kaliang ga sen kerpadi ya dip TCM bat kamju le che sarkar wo chimkhia ga hlor ni wo pumbat ye ni jing wo ikam ga chnong kam ga chnong LAPANGAP chem go bad hajoi por la pha ik message chau dip TCM yong i kamju la chak sarkar wo weng no ye te ki police Assam ki wo chong hotai LUM PYNTHOR yong LAPANGAP ni bha gatai ga lom dang man go ga lom yong ki nong chong chnong yong ga LAPANGAP wa de nadu ki long chwa man chwa wa hadu kat ni le her peten go hai ki long chong chnong te deni dan higentin kerpat iya ke sarkar wo snyau bhan remove ya kita ki Assam police bo no da ki Meghalaya police ki yong i khnang wa ki nong chong chnong yong i yo chungan gi menda library LUM PYNTHOR gi do ini don higentin ble chibur